Okay, we're talking about flexo versus digital. Well, you have made an investment probably about a digital press for a flexo press some years ago, and you ask yourself, well, the job structure that I have, the SKUs are going up, the run lengths are going down. This all is probably the time to think about whether this tool that you're currently using is still economically feasible. So we're offering a digital tool that allows to run more jobs in a shorter time with less waste. That's probably the economic solution to the situation you have today, where you have a quite tense print ratio versus setup ratio. So therefore, a digital press would help you to get out of that economic difficult situation. The Domino N610i inkjet label press is your solution. Just don't take our word for it. Listen what our customers have to say.